Hi, this video is on how to set up your remote learning day in your Moodle course. First of all, it's important that your Moodle class be standardized with everyone else's, meaning that when I come to the course, there should be a table of contents on the top left, a calendar on the top right, and most of my information's in the middle. There should be nothing in the general section up top, because if there is, then it will hide the first section. So if you've got a bunch of stuff in your general section, you should move it into the appropriate section that it's related to. For the remote learning day, there should be a section, and it should be moved up top as the very first section in your course for the remote learning day, and it should be called Remote Learning Day. If my students go into the remote learning day, they see something to read, something to do, so that I know they've gone to it. So in my case, I've got a little explanation of a remote learning days they have to read. I've got a forum set up that they can ask questions online to other students as well. And then I've got the actual activity down here. And those two things are going to stay there all the time. And then I've got it where it says online day number 1 for Calamity Day, and I'll obviously change this date here for the date that it actually represents. And I'll have a breakdown for day 2 and day 3 as well, when those days may occur. And I'll have a nice line there dividing it so it's clear to them what the activity is for that online learning day. So it should be some kind of activity that you can get some kind of information back from, just to show you what mine looks like. This will change based on what day we do the learning day and what our lesson is that day. So I'll basically move something up or create something before 9 a.m. Related to what's relative that day. This is what mine looks like. It's a quiz that they have to first go and watch and read the video from chapter 4. So they'll click on that and they'll see this is my reading for this section right here. And then there is a video that they have to watch that's 11 minutes long. And then it has a little exercise down here for them to do prior to taking the quiz. So I've got that set up. It's standardized so that no matter what class of mine they come into on that remote learning day, the top section will clearly say that it's remote learning day, and they'll be able to go into it and find and do the activity for your specific class relative to what you're doing in that class at that time. If there are any questions on how to do any of those things, how to move any of those things, please don't hesitate to look on the YouTube site or to email me, and I'll send you one of the links that we've had previously on how to set those things up on the technical side of moving things around Moodle, possibly moving things up or down. And that's it to make sure you know what we're doing on remote learning days.